A merchant ship grounding can escalate into a major crisis if not handled swiftly and correctly. Immediate confirmation of the grounding is crucial. Look for a sudden drop in vessel speed, unusual vibrations felt throughout the hull, discrepancies in depth sounder readings, and a noticeable loss of propulsion efficiency. These indicators signal that action must be taken without delay. Once confirmed, the first steps are critical. Stop the engine immediately to cut off all propulsion. Activate alarms to alert the crew and sound the general alarm. Next, check fuel tanks and ballast compartments for leaks or breaches. Conduct an initial damage assessment using available ship sensors and visual inspections of accessible areas. Safety is the absolute priority following a grounding. Secure all watertight doors and hatches to prevent flooding. Implement continuous monitoring for oil spills on the water surface and flooding within the vessel. If feasible, prepare for underwater inspections to assess hull damage below the waterline. Clear communication is paramount in a grounding emergency. Document the precise location and time of the incident, including GPS coordinates. Provide a preliminary assessment of the cause and circumstances surrounding the grounding. Detail the observed or suspected damage and potential risks, and log all immediate actions taken to mitigate the situation. Report any environmental hazards, such as oil spills, to the relevant authorities. The bridge team plays a crucial role in managing the aftermath of a grounding. They must activate distress signals if there's an immediate threat to life or the vessel. Inform nearby vessels to prevent potential collisions and establish contact with port authorities and the Coast Guard. Maintaining a detailed log of all events and communications is essential for official records and investigations. Each onboard team has distinct responsibilities to minimize risks. The engine team must assess damage to propulsion and power systems, monitor for leaks, and prepare for potential refloating operations. The deck team should secure all cargo to prevent shifting and conduct detailed inspections of the hull. The damage control team needs to implement flooding control measures and execute temporary repairs if possible. Once the immediate situation is stabilized, the final objective is to safely refloat the grounded vessel. Common methods include adjusting ballast water to alter the vessel's draft, utilizing tugboats for assistance, and conducting hydrographic surveys to understand the seabed and plan the refloating operation. Ship grounding is a critical emergency, demanding expert knowledge and precise execution. Understanding these essential actions and protocols can make all the difference in effectively managing such a crisis.